Soccer has its own language. Here's your cheat sheet. Every term you'll hear this World Cup, explained in plain English. The pitch. That's just the field. The rectangular green surface where the game is played. Say pitch. Sound like you know what you're doing. A match. Not a game. Soccer people say match. You'll sound 10 times more credible if you just switch that one word. A clean sheet. When a team doesn't let the other team score. The goalkeeper kept a clean sheet. It's a point of enormous pride. A hat trick. 3 goals scored by the same player in the same match. Rare. Celebrated. Often followed by hats literally being thrown onto the field. A brace. 2 goals by the same player in the same match. Less dramatic than a hat trick, but still a big deal worth mentioning. Nil. That's 0. The score is 0-0 means 0-0. Still goalless. A match that ends 2-0 means 2 goals to 0. Full time. The game is over. 90 minutes played. The referee blows the final whistle. Full time, not game over, not time's up. Full time. An own goal. When a player accidentally scores in their own net. It happens. It's painful. The goal counts for the other team. A header. Intentionally hitting the ball with your head to redirect it. Can be used to score goals, clear the ball, or pass to a teammate. A nutmeg. When you kick the ball through an opponent's legs. It's a humiliation move. The crowd goes wild. The victim never lives it down. A bicycle kick. The most acrobatic move in soccer. Player falls backward, flips, and kicks the ball overhead. One of the most beautiful sights in sports. A striker. The forward player whose main job is to score goals. They live in front of the opponent's goal. Their currency is goals. A midfielder. The engine of the team. They run the most. They connect defense to attack. The unsung heroes who often decide matches without scoring. A defender. Their only job is to stop the other team from scoring. They block, tackle, head the ball away, and generally make strikers miserable. A formation. How the players are arranged. 4-3-3 means 4 defenders, 3 midfielders, 3 attackers. Coaches obsess over these. A derby. When 2 rival teams from the same city or region play each other. The intensity is unlike anything else. These are personal. Now you're ready. You have the vocabulary. You understand the players. You know the rules. All that's left is to watch and enjoy every second. Subscribe for more. Every video we make is designed to make you a smarter, more confident soccer fan, one match at a time.